Hi, we're back now. We're going to make our own Phases of the Moon books. So I might have forgotten to mention this, but if it's possible, see if you can go find 9 pieces of paper, one to make your cover, and then 8 more pieces so we can do each phase of the moon. Okay, so pause the video for a second and come back. Okay, great. Now we're back. We're going to start with our cover. So we're going to take our first piece of paper and a pencil, okay? And together we're going to spell out the words for the cover. Ready? Okay, here we go. First word is phases. Now it sounds like it starts with a F, but actually it starts with a silent P. Okay, so you're going to make a P. Next letter is H. P and the H together make the F sound. Okay, our next letter is A. That's right, A. S. F. E. S. So we have phases. P. H. A. S. E. S. Phases. Next word is of. Oh. O, F, tiny little word. O, F spells of. The, T, H, and together the T and the H say, try that. The, and then a silent E. Phases of the, that's right, M, for moon. Ooh. 2 letters together make the oo sound. A double O. Moon. What do you hear at the end? That's right, N. Okay, so it says phases of the moon. Now, who wrote this book? Well, it's going to be you, so we need to add a byline. So by, B, I. It's actually a Y, so B-Y spells by. And then you're going to write your name here. Okay, so I'm going to write Teacher Alicia. T-R, teacher, A-L-I-C-I-A. Okay, so this is how your cover should look. Okay, I'll show you on paper too. Phases of the moon. By, and then you're going to write your name down there. Okay? All right, so while you're finishing that up, I'm going to get ready to erase the board, and we're going to start drawing our first phase on our next piece of paper when you're ready. Okay, so for while we're thinking about our first phase, let's review a couple of things from the book. My first question is, do you remember what's rotating around the planet Earth where we live? Think. Here's a hint. What are we talking about? That's right. We are talking about the moon. The moon is rotating around the Earth where we live. Now, we can't always see the moon, but is the moon always there? What did the book tell us? Do you remember? That's right. Yes. The moon is always there, even when we can't see it. Now, why does it look like the moon is shining sometimes? Well, it's because the sun is shining on the moon. And when the sun's light reflects off of the moon in different ways, it looks different to us here on Earth. So, now we're going to draw all 8 ways that it looks. Okay, so the first way it looks, we're going to start with a number 1. Okay, so you're going to take your book, your first piece of paper, and all I want you to do first is in the corner write a 1. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do up here on my whiteboard. 1. And then the new moon is a big circle. Okay, so I want you to draw a big circle, but we can't see it because there's no light shining on it. So I want you to take a black crayon, or if you don't have a gray pencil, and just shade in your whole moon, okay? And then you're also going to shade or color a little bit of black or gray around your moon, okay? We're not going to worry about writing the words right now. Okay, we're just going to do the numbers. So this is the new moon. That's number 1. Okay, I'm going to erase this. And then we will go to what number? What comes after 1, friends? Let's count. 1, 2. That's right. Okay, so we are going to get ready to take our pencil, and in the corner of your paper, top corner, you are going to write a number 2. So here we go. 2. Okay, and I'll show you on your paper up close as well. You're making a 2 right there in the corner. Now, does anyone know what this says down here? It says waxing moon. Okay, so it's a waxing moon, and it's shaped like a crescent. So, how do we make a crescent? Well, we are going to start like we're making a backwards C, okay? You have your backwards C up there. Everyone see that? I'm going to make that a little bit darker for you. Okay, a backwards C, and then we're going to come right up to the point and sort of trace in there. Okay, make another backwards C, like a bubble backwards C with some pointy edges. That's our crescent moon. After you make your crescent moon, you're going to take a yellow color, crayon, marker, whatever you may have at home, and you're going to color inside your whole moon, okay? And you're going to shade black outside so that it looks something like this, okay? All right, I'm just gonna pick up those books that fell over, and then we'll keep going. Okay, so we have number 1, we have number 2. What comes after 2? That's right, friends, after 2 comes 3. Okay, so we're going to erase number 2. We did our new moon, that's number 1, and we did our waxing crescent moon, that's number 2. Now, we need to write a number 3. Okay, so take your pencil, if you have one, in the corner, make a nice 3, just like this. Here I am on my paper, in my book. Okay, I have my quarter moon. Okay, how do we make a quarter moon? Well, the first quarter moon looks a little bit like what letter? That's right, a D, an uppercase D. So it should be easy peasy, lemon squeezy for us. So start by making a line down, come back up, go around like a backward C, and you have a D. Now all you need to do is take your yellow, color it all in nice, and then shade some black around it so that when it's all done, your first quarter moon will look like this. Okay, that's number 3. Great job, everyone. Okay, so we're going to erase this. When we're doing that, we'll review. We did 1, the full moon, 2, the waxing crescent, and 3, the first quarter. What's after 3? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, we're doing number 4. Okay, so line down, line across, come over and down. That's line number 4. Lines to make number 4. Here we go. This is where your 4 should look like in the corner. And we're making our next phase. It's called the waxing gibbous. Okay, so the waxing gibbous sort of looks like a squished circle with a little bit of a straighter line on this side. Okay, so it's not a full circle. We're going to go around like we're making a D, okay? But then we're going to come back up and squish it, okay? Maybe, actually, let's inflate that a tiny bit. So let's try that one more time. Okay, so we're going to come around like a circle, but then we're going to squish it. Okay, that's better. So it looks like a squish circle. Best you can make it. And then again, you're going to color it in yellow to show the sun shining on it. And you're going to color some black around it to show that it's nighttime. Okay, so we've done 4 phases of the moon now. Let's review as we get ready. 1 was the new moon. You couldn't see the new moon. 2 was the waxing crescent. 3 was the first quarter. And 4 was the waxing gibbous. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on phase number 5. Okay, here's phase number 5. Let's start by making the number 5 in the corner of our paper. So, you're going to come down with a little line, make a backward C, come up and put a hat on your 5. Okay? I'll show you in the book as well. So here we are. Number 5 is the full moon. So let's look. The full moon is a nice, big, full circle. And can we see it? Yes, we can see it. So we want to make sure we color it in yellow. So let's make a nice, big circle. Let's color it in yellow so we can always see the full moon nice and bright. And then you're going to, now I know I'm just doing some little lines, but this is just for speed. You can take your time and go back and color in the whole thing, okay? And then I'm going to shade in some black to show that it's nighttime. Okay, so we have now done 5 of the 8 phases of the moon. 1, the new moon. 2, the waxing crescent. 3, the first quarter. 4, the waxing gibbous. And 5, the full moon. What number comes after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 6. We are on number 6. So let's make a 6. Let's come up in the corner, down like we're making a C, and loop in. That's number 6. Here we are. Let's look at number 6 in our book. This is called the waning gibbous. So the waning gibbous also looks like a squished up circle, but it's squished on this side, on the right side instead of the left. So let's go ahead and make another squished up circle with kind of a straight part on that side. And then let's color it in yellow and do some black for the night sky around it. Okay, so that's number 6. So we've done 1, new moon, 2, waxing crescent, 3, first quarter, 4, waning gibbous, 5, full moon, 4, waxing gibbous, 5, full moon, 6, waning gibbous. And now we're doing what number? That's right, 7. Number 7 is the third quarter moon. So, let's look at our book. The third quarter moon is also known as the last quarter. What does it look like? Well, to me, it looks like a backwards D, a backwards uppercase D. Okay, so let's put a 7 up in the corner, make a little line across, and then we're going to make a line coming down on a diagonal like that. There's your 7. Okay, now backwards D. Come around like you're making a C, and then go straight down. There you go. And then you're going to color it in, that's right, yellow. And you're going to do black out here for the night sky. So, we have 1, our new moon. 2, our waxing crescent. 3, our first quarter. 4, our waning, waxing gibbous. 5, the full moon. 6, the waning gibbous. 7, the third quarter, which is also known as the last quarter. And 8, well, number 8, that's right, is our last phase. So let's put an 8 up in here, this corner, start. Loop around like you're making an S, and come back up and connect it. 8 is the waning crescent. Let's look in our book. It's going to be our last page. Okay. And here's the waning crescent. And here's how we're going to do it. We'll start up here like we're making a C. And we're going to come back up, make a little point, and trace it all the way down like that. Okay, and then we're going to color it in yellow, shade black around it, and that's the last page of your book. Great job, everyone. Have a great day.